But look, so now that we got that part of it kind of mocked up, once I get the tools to get that pulley off and get that power steering pump off and get it back on here, we'll be right back with that and show you guys what it looks like. But we'll have some more content coming up with those things. There goes the headers right there for it. These are the mounts that came off of the car, and then down there underneath these hinges, those are the mounts that came off of this block. So pretty much going to try and use these ones just to make it easy. That way we're not trying to like modify it and be on this bolt-on stuff, and just kind of roll with it that way. Makes it easier. The canister for the air is right over there. So we're trying to, you know, modernize it, but still keep it old school at the same time. And then, oh, yep, you see these guys. So we'll have some more content on this stuff coming soon. I'm possibly gonna be doing some bars. I'm gonna be taking this off and putting a different type of blinker on there, because it still got to pass brake and lamp inspection in order to get on the road. But I did paint this stuff and do all this stuff myself, not in here, but in the backyard. So yeah, you might see some more. Well, no, there'll definitely be some more content because I have to do the tank. So I did everything else and didn't do the tank. Crazy. But yeah, everything else is done on it. So you'll have some more content, some motorcycle content too. But first things first is, yeah, we want to get this buttoned up. So there we go. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit after I get those tools.